reviews with John the Picker. Next place up, Mancinos. We were at KFC, which is right over there. I heard they still sell Lud stuff here. I have no idea. We're gonna go in and get a grinder. Go in and get a grinder at Mancinos. They used to have a gorilla on top. Maybe they break him out in the summer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next item up on the food review, we got a steak grinder from Mancinos. Jalapeno peppers on the side. I love that kind. We'll get a nice view of the box. That's my dog taking off. He was going to eat some grinder, but he said, "You're taking too long to make the video." Mancinos. We love this place. They have pizzas, grinders, bread. What? This is 16 inches. That is awesome. Look at how big that is. The steak and cheese grinder has sliced steak, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayo. And that thing looks amazing. They have really good bread up there. Look at that, eh? What? Everybody likes Mancinos. They make really good pizzas. Lots of steak. Look at that. Fresh ingredients. My 2-liter, folks. Alright, now we're throwing jalapenos on this beast. Let's try those. Gonna try the jalapenos. They're hot. Jalapenos are always hot for some reason. Get back to you when I get done eating this sub. Let you know how it tastes. Let you know what I think. Show you what that looks like today. Put the tomato up, lettuce, and steak. Steak kind of tastes like steakums. You know what that tastes like. Needs more jalapenos, boys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the grinder is finished. We like that kind. We like that kind big time. I like the bread they used on their grinders. I like how they cook it. It's nice and crispy. The steak was pretty good. It's like steakums. It needed a little bit more flavoring, I think. Steak needed more flavoring. There was mushrooms on there. All the ingredients were really good. The green peppers were really fresh. Jalapeno peppers are good. They're a little bit different than Como's. Let's try them beast. What? Whole handful. I'm John Picker. John Picker's Food Reviews. Don't try that at home. I'm out. And we're done. Oh yeah. Pretty hot. Pretty freaking hot.